All right, so you've installed impact windows and doors and you want to know how to maintain and keep them clean. So first and foremost, a lot of people think a pressure cleaner is a great idea. I love pressure cleaners, however, they need to be used in the right application. Now, your seals and gaskets on your impact windows are very strong. However, the amount of pressure that the pressure cleaners push out can be too strong and can actually damage the seals on your impact windows and doors. A lot of people don't know that until after the fact, and then they find out they have a problem. So normal maintenance just includes a mild soap and a microfiber cloth. This keeps the glass from getting scratched. I always recommend rinsing the windows first and then cleaning them off. You want to check your tracks, make sure they're clean and free of debris. Especially here in Florida, we get a lot of bugs build up. We want to make sure that those tracks are nice and clean in order to keep the windows and doors functioning as they should be. My recommendation is to vacuum out the tracks and then use a damp cloth right behind it just to keep it nice and clean. And if your windows and doors are starting to get a little squeaky, please do not use WD-40. Use a silicone-based lubricant. That'll keep it nice and clean. The WD-40 is going to actually attract the bugs to get stuck and some of that dust and dirt to get stuck in the tracks, leading you back to your original problem. Next on the checklist is looking at your weather stripping. You want to see if it's brittle, if there's chips or cracks in it. That is what's going to protect you mostly from wind, water, and rain. If you see that your weather stripping is getting brittle, maybe it's a good time to replace it. Number 4, you want to check the hardware, make sure it's nice and tight. Over time, bolts, screws, they can loosen up. Every once in a while or every couple years, you can go in and just tighten everything, make sure it's nice and secure. And the last thing that you want to do is check for cracks or any breaks in any of the seals. Just being aware of these things will save you a lot of money over time and will make your windows last for years to come. Think of it just like a car. Maintaining your windows and doors over time will make them last longer and have them functioning properly. Your impact windows and doors protect your home, so treat them right and they'll have your back for years to come. If you're not sure about any of the things we recommended, give us a call. We'd love to send one of our technicians out there to take a look at your home. BigFoot Windows and Roofing, building trust, one window, one door, one roof at a time.